Okay, I'm up early this morning trying to beat the heat of the day. So I'm trying to work on a lot of projects that I have planned for the garden. I'm trying to see how many I can complete today. So come along with me as I work in the garden, in Big Mama's garden today. Okay, first thing I want to do is move my pineapples from out of this hoop house area. Let them get out in the front and get more of the direct sun. And because it's getting kind of full in here from my squash and zucchini leaves are spreading out far. They're trying to meet up here with the pineapples. I'm gonna make it a little more spacious in here for me to be able to walk and get around in this area. So let me move my pineapples out. They looking beautiful. Look what I discovered as I was moving my pineapples. Got some little baby puffs, pineapple babies over here growing. So I'm gonna have some more pineapples gonna come after this one here. It's harvest. Look at you, your little baby pups up here growing. Look at the little pineapples coming out. Okay, I heard once one is harvest, it don't take long for the other ones to grow. So I have some new pineapples coming up after this one is harvest. Okay, I moved my pineapples out. Now I need to clean up this space a little bit, get all of these weeds out of here. And I need to prop up my squash a little better so they won't just be hanging over here and going down to the ground. Put some stakes over here to hold them up. Okay, I found out that radishes are a good companion plant for squash and zucchini. It helps fight off the vine borers. So I'm going to plant some radishes. I have the French breakfast radish that I'm going to plant around my squash and zucchini plants. I should have been did this to kind of give them some extra protection from the vine borers. So I'm going to direct sow around the areas of the squash and zucchini plants some of this French breakfast radish. Okay, I pruned out some of my leaves off of my squash and zucchini and staked them up a little better where they're not leaning all on the ground. And I spread it around the total bed, some of the radishes, to help protect them from the vine borers. And they say radishes don't take very long to grow. On here it says 24 days. So that's a quick plant that you can easily grow real fast. And the radishes, you can chop them up and add them to your salads and mix with other vegetables when you're cooking. Okay, got cucumbers growing. Look at you, cucumbers. Okay, cucumbers. Gonna harvest you soon. Look, okay. Okay, I'm finally gonna tackle removing this asparagus plant from out of this bed. because I found out that onions stunts the growth of asparagus, so you should never grow onions near your asparagus. And I'm going to add some carrots over in this bed along with these onions. I had planned on transplanting my carrots that I had growing on my back porch, but I ended up taking them outside to let them get some sun, and all that rain came and just killed them, drowned them out. So I'm just gonna sow some seeds, sow some seeds of carrots in this bed. Let me get ready to move this asparagus plant out. Okay, I was able to pull up all of those asparagus vines that was growing deep down in the soil. I started me off a new asparagus section of the garden. Had to move this one out. It was not growing because it got planted next to all of this onion and it was stunning its growth. That's a lot of vines that was down deep in there. Okay, I have the bed ready to sow these carrot seeds now. I'm gonna put some in the back of the bed and also in between the onion rows. So let me get ready to sow these carrot seeds. Asparagus vines that was growing deep in the soil. So sorry that they did not grow me some spears. They were in the ground a long time too. The bed is cleaned out. Have the carrots planted. We'll add some straw on top of it. I think I'm gonna harvest some of my tomatoes today, even though they are green, because I found one where a bug was eating it. I want to make sure I get these and bring them in the house and let them turn red in the house. I don't want to lose them. Okay, I decided to go with what Miss Renee had did with her tile. They was just in my garage doing nothing, so I said let me come here and use them outside I'm gonna cover them around, some mulch around the blue tarp. Add one more bucket on each side. Showcase my pineapples. Got my artichoke still growing there. And my red purple cabbage. Okay, pineapples. I'll finish this project up soon.